Hi, I'm Paulo. Building an impressive agent is the easy part. Getting it to production and keeping it there is where it gets messy. A few agents already live, each shipped differently, no shared way to tell if a change helped or hurt, and no record of what's running. When something breaks, you're guessing in production. The tools to fix this mostly already exist: evals, CI/CD, red teaming, tracing, but they live in separate corners, so every team rewires them by hand and ends up fragmented and inconsistent. AgentOps Accelerator for Foundry is the thin layer that pulls them into one operating model. So going to production becomes evaluation, versioning, safety, and observability. You can repeat, see in one place, and audit. Let me walk you through it in 4 moves: evaluate, ship, observe, and own. In evaluate, 3 real prompts become a measurable gate with expected answers, Microsoft Foundry scores, safety checks, and an evidence pack. In ship, that same gate moves into GitHub Actions. Every pull request and every dev deploy is checked before it can move forward. In observe, every live request becomes a trace with latency, token cost, and evaluation scores connected back to the agent version. In own, a bad prompt fails at pull request time, gets added back into the regression dataset, and makes the next gate stronger. In production, the same release check can block on latency or error rate, not just quality. So step back and look at what changed. We started with agents scattered across production. No shared gate, no version history, no single place to look. Now every agent runs through the same evaluation before it ships. Every release carries its own evidence and provenance. Every live request is a trace I can pull up, and every regression I catch becomes a permanent task the next change has to pass. The chaos didn't disappear because the agents got simpler. It disappeared because the operating model is consistent, centralized, and repeatable. That's the real shift, from a pile of clever demos to agents you can operate, prove, and trust in production on the tools you already have in Foundry. Evaluate, ship, observe, own, and the bar only moves up.